Examples of work done are, suppose in this picture one boy is pulling a toy. In this case the toy displaces and its position is changed, so we can say that work is done. In this case, if we lift the table, there is some displacement happens, so here we can say that work is said to be done. So how we define work? Work is said to be done when force is applied to an object, when force is applied to an object and it causes the displacement of the object, then we can say that work is said to be done. Now we are going to see work. What is work? The formula for work is nothing but force into displacement, where W is work, F is force, S is displacement. आता इथं फोर्स आणि डिस्प्लेसमेंट यांच्यामध्ये कोणतंही साइन नाही, म्हणजे मल्टिप्लिकेशनचं साइन असतं. ह्या मल्टिप्लिकेशनलाच आपण प्रोडक्ट असं म्हणतो. सो हाऊ वी डिफाईन वर्क? Work is defined as it is the product of magnitude of force and the displacement, and this displacement takes place in the direction of force. परत एकदा पाहूया. वर्क इज डिफाइंड ॲज प्रोडक्ट. एफ आणि एस मध्ये एफ आणि एसचा काय आहे? प्रोडक्ट आहे. फोर्स आणि डिस्प्लेसमेंटचा प्रोडक्ट. सो हाऊ वी डिफाईन? प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ फोर्स अँड डिस्प्लेसमेंट. नाव दिस वर्क इज स्केलर क्वांटिटी. तुम्ही तुमच्या ओन लँग्वेजमध्ये लिहू शकता. ही डायग्रॅम लक्षात ठेवायची आणि ओन लँग्वेजमध्ये ह्या सर्व गोष्टी लिहू शकता. SI युनिट ऑफ वर्क इज जूल. CGS युनिट ऑफ फोर्स वर्क इज अर्क. नाव हा जो फॉर्म्युला आहे तो जर आपण ॲज इट इज स्केलर क्वांटिटी वी कॅन राईट दिस ॲज वर्क इज इक्वल टू FS कॉस थिटा. ते आपण नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये डिटेलमध्ये पाहूयात कसं येतं ते. वी सी द रिलेशन बिटवीन द युनिट SI unit and CGS unit of work. As we have seen, the SI unit of work is joule and CGS unit of work is erg. The relation between them is 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to 7 erg. It is asked for fill in the blanks. हे fill in the blanks ला येतं. हा क्वेश्चन प्रिपेअर करून ठेवायचा. Work, we know that. Now how it comes? Let us derive it. We know that work is equal to force into displacement. Then work is measured in joule. So 1 joule is equal to, force is measured in Newton, 1 Newton into displacement, it is measured in meter. So 1 Newton into 1 meter. Now we have to convert it in the CGS system. So we know that 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to 5 dyne. So instead of Newton we write 10 raised to 5 dyne, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So instead of meter we write 10 raised to 2. So it becomes 10 raised to 7, 10 raised to 5 into 10 raised to 2. 10 raised to 5 plus 2, it becomes 10 raised to 7 dyne centimeter. Okay, so 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to 7 erg. Now we are going to see types of work. First of all, we know that the formula for work done is W is equal to FS cos theta. Then there are 3 types of work done: positive work, negative work and zero work. Now we see what do you mean by positive work. If, नीट लक्ष देऊन पहा, if the direction of force and direction of displacement is same, means theta is equal to 0, then work is said to be done and it is positive work. If the direction of force and direction of displacement both are negative, then we can say that theta is 180 degree and the work done is negative work. Means in this case the direction of force and direction of displacement, they both are in opposite direction means making angle of 180 degree. They making angle of 180 degree. Here the direction of force and direction of displacement both are same, so positive work is there. In case of negative work, force and displacement are totally in the opposite direction, making an angle of 180 degree. Now what is zero work? Last point, zero work means in this case the force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. So how we define zero work? If force and displacement are perpendicular to each other means theta is 90 degree, then we can say that work done is zero.